So what is Claudia's law? Well, until today there was no law in the UK which enabled people to deal with the affairs of anyone who's missing. Claudia's law allows court-appointed guardians to look after the affairs of people missing for over 90 days. Previously, families could only take over the financial affairs of a missing person if they were declared dead. The legislation is named after chef Claudia Lawrence, who vanished without a trace a decade ago. Police believe the 35-year-old from York, who has not been seen since March 18, 2009, was murdered, but her body has never been found. Her father, Peter Lawrence, has campaigned tirelessly for changes to the law since her disappearance.
Today is, for once, good news. Despite the past 10 years of Claudia been missing and still missing, we have at last got to the stage where the families of missing adults can make an application to court and get an order to enable them to do all the things which everybody else takes for granted every day. Looking after mortgages, moving money between bank accounts to enable bills to be paid out of a current account, changing investments, getting a mortgage fixed rate renewed, which until now hasn't been able to happen.
The key thing about today is it's about other people, and one of the great things that I think has been fantastic through all this has been, although it's been 10.5 grueling years and still no answers to where Claudia is, yet Peter's devoted himself to doing this work of trying to make life easier for people. First of all, with the extension of the Presumption of Death Act to include England and Wales. It was already in Scotland and Northern Ireland. And now, today, with the fab news that the guardianship laws are live and active, and we've even seen the instructions that have just been put online by the Ministry of Justice as to how people can go about this. And that's what we're here for today, really.